Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make a flowchart with Chatgpt. So make sure to watch this video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, go to Chatgpt and make sure you log in with your account. And after that, just type in a prompt like this. Write me a code in Plant UML code to make a flowchart on. After that, just type in your required project. For example, my project is about, let's say, Newton's law. So I will type it here and enter. Now, Chatgpt will generate a Plant UML code for you. So as you can see, the code is generated. Just copy the code from here and open up a new tab. Go over to Plant UML online web server. Open up the first website and there will be a prompt dialog box for entering codes. Make sure to delete this and paste the code we just copied. And then submit it, and after a few seconds the flowchart will be generated below. Just click on this PNG button and the image will now be available for you to download. So that's basically how you can make a flowchart with Chatgpt. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.